Adding a debit card to your Upwork account is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your payments effectively. Follow these steps to complete the process quickly. Step 1. Log into your Upwork account. Visit the Upwork website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to your account to proceed with adding your debit card. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Setting. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Settings option in the drop-down menu under your profile picture, then select Payment Methods to access your payment settings. Step 3. Add a new payment method. In the Payment Methods section, you will see an option to add a payment method. Click on this button to start the process of adding your debit card. Step 4. Enter your debit card information. Fill in the required fields with your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Double-check the information for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save your changes. After entering your debit card information, click on the Save button to finalize the addition. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your debit card has been successfully added. Now you can manage your payments on Upwork with your new debit card. If you encounter any issues, consult Upwork's Help Center for assistance.